Today we are going to talk a little bit about assistive technology, things that we're familiar with, weren't so familiar with, and how we can get our students the best resources that they can have to help them be successful in our school. Basics about assistive technology. Basically anything that helps improve how someone with a disability functions, whether it's a program, just a basic item, some sort of equipment, anything that helps them find success and do things that they struggle with better. These things that it help with include speaking, typing, writing, remembering, pointing, seeing, hearing, learning, and even walking. So it's pretty cool. They have stuff that helps all different kinds of things that we all struggle with. Some things that I was familiar with beforehand, specialized computers, and I've seen several different things that kind of fall into this category, even just making it to where the font is bigger for our students that have trouble seeing, making it easier to communicate with your screen, whether it's just looking or it's following your eyes. Just really awesome what those computers can do. Wheelchairs, to be honest, didn't really consider that technology before starting this module. I always kind of considered technology to be something electronic, but this module helped me open my eyes to really it being anything that assists you. The prosthetics, which are extremely cool. Walking aids, like just a walker, a cane. Electronic devices, iPads, calculators. The text to speak. And the eye trackers. One of the ones that I've seen that I thought was just extremely cool was we had a student who couldn't communicate and did not have function really below her neck, and they figured out that she could communicate by where she was looking, so they would give her choices on a computer screen, and once she would look at the choice she wanted, and that's how she communicated. One of the cooler things that I have seen. Some stuff that was newly learned, which I've seen some of it, but I just didn't maybe consider it technology. The communication boards, which are very cool. Mounting systems just to make things just easier access. Screen readers. Just obviously the specialized, learning materials. That's something that I've seen, but I just did not consider them technology. The pencil holders to help. As an administrator, ways to get this technology. Obviously, you have to figure out how to fund this stuff. It's not something that you just can walk into the store and say, here, I need this. So you have to figure out the ways to get a hold of them, and we need to do whatever we can to make these students successful. I found school systems pay for general education learning materials and technology specified in IEPs. The government will pay for certain assistive technology if the doctor prescribes it as necessary. And then there's some private health insurance that pays for certain assistive technology if it's doctor prescribed and necessary, or a medical or rehabilitative device. And then that's all for students. This is for teachers or people that work in the building. Employers may pay for assistive technology that is reasonable, that is a reasonable accommodation to enable an employee to perform essential job tasks, which is kind of a cool deal. So this module really opened my eyes on different assistive technology and how crucial it is to get our students, and how awesome of a resource it is, and how many ways we can figure out to get a hold of them if need be. So that was just a little bit about assistive technology. Thank you.